Hamlet is a tragedy about a prince ordered to avenge his father's murder, but unable to act without certainty. Shakespeare did not invent this story. It comes from a medieval Danish legend recorded by Saxo Grammaticus and later retold by Belforest, where a prince pretends to be foolish, kills his uncle, and becomes king. Shakespeare kept the revenge plot, but transformed it by focusing on doubt, morality, and inner conflict. The play belongs to the tradition of the Elizabethan revenge tragedy. These plays usually feature a terrible crime, a ghost demanding vengeance, deception and spying, and a violent ending. Hamlet follows this pattern, but it also challenges it. Unlike typical revenge heroes, Hamlet thinks, questions, and delays, forcing the audience to wrestle with whether revenge is justice or sin. The play opens with a ghost seen by guards and Hamlet's friend Horatio. The ghost reveals that King Hamlet was murdered by his brother Claudius, who has taken the throne and married Queen Gertrude. Hamlet swears revenge, but decides to test the ghost's truth. Meanwhile, the court spies on him. Polonius believes Hamlet is mad with love for Ophelia, while Claudius recruits Rosencrantz and Guildenstern to watch him. Hamlet stages a play that reenacts the murder. Claudius's reaction confirms his guilt, yet Hamlet still hesitates. Instead, he kills Polonius by mistake, setting off a chain of consequences. Ophelia goes mad and dies. Laertes seeks revenge. Claudius plots Hamlet's death. In the final act, a duel using poison kills Gertrude, Laertes, Claudius, and Hamlet himself. Dying, Hamlet asks Horatio to tell his story. Fortinbras takes the throne. Hamlet endures because its central question remains unsettled. What should a person do when action demands moral certainty, but certainty is impossible?